Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Hitting the licks in the.
Hey guys, Chris Camara here. This time, well, I don't think we have 5 things. I think we just got one. Should be an HD or a Thunderbolt cord to an HDMI, so I can put my MacBook to the TV. And so here we go. Well, here it is from Belkin. Pretty good company. 12 feet. So it says Mac, or chose laptop to HD TV. But mini display port to HDMI cable. Blah blah blah. But alright, let me open it and be back in a minute. Alright, so here it is. It's all bunched up. I don't feel like unraveling 12 feet of cord right now, but here's the HDMI cord, or part of it. Little like bumpy things there, Belkin. And then the other part, display port, goes in the side of my MacBook and then to the TV with that. But yeah, this is the Thunderbolt, I think. Whatever, or lightning port, I don't know, whatever it's called. But that should do it for this video. And thanks for watching, and find that like button and the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Come back for some more videos. Chris Camara signing off.